Hello student. Today our topic is periodic trains in chemical properties. This is our last topic of classification of element. In the chemical properties, first we will discuss valency. Now what is valency? First of all, what is valence electron? The number of electron present in outermost shell is called valence electron. The electrons present in outermost shell is called valence electron, and the valence is generally equal to either the number of electron. Valence is equal to either the number of valence electron or equal to 8 minus the number of valence electron. For example, there are clear the valence is equal to either the number of valence electron or equal to 8 minus the number of valence electron. For example, sodium atom number 11 and the electronic configuration is 281. It's 281. They have only one valence electron and the valence is equal to the valence electron have one valency. On the other hand, the element of the group 17, chlorine, atom number 17 and the electronic configuration is 287. 287. There are 7 valence electron. There are 7 valence electron. It is not possible the valency is 7. Therefore, 8 minus valence electron. The 8 minus 7 is equals to 1. Therefore, chlorine have also one valency. It is clear? Sodium have one valency. This is because the number of valence electron is equals to the valency. And on the other hand, halogens element with chlorine have also one valency. This is because these are equal to 8 minus of the number of valence electron. These valency in period increase from left to right. First increase from 1 to 4 and then decrease up to 0. Group 18th elements have complete failed electronic configurations or stable electronic configurations. Therefore, they show zero valency. That's right. In group, on moving down the group from top to bottom, they have same valence electron. Therefore, they have same valency. Right? And there is diagonal relationship. What is diagonal relationship? Diagonally related to the elements of the period. Diagonally related to the elements of the periods is known as diagonal relationship. The element of second period shows similarities with the element of the third period is called diagonal relationship. These relationship is diagonally to each other. For example, lithium resemblance with magnesium and beryllium resemblance with aluminum and boron resemblance with silicon. Right? These are table indicate the diagonal relationship means lithium having similar properties with magnesium, beryllium with aluminum, and boron with silicon. And now topic is periodic trains. Periodic trains in chemical reactivity. When we about talking about the chemical reactivity, uh, we just take in a period or in a group. In a period, the chemical reactivity at two extreme and lowest in the center. It means the high at the two end and lowest at the center. This is because the valency is lower at the end of the period, right? In group chemical reactivity moving down the group, it is increased due to decreased nuclear charge, due to increase due to decrease ionization enthalpy, due to increase atomic size, right? These are the table indicate the some elements oxide and its behavior. Elements sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. Its oxide is, and then behavior: sodium so strong basic, magnesium basic, aluminum amphotic means neither basic nor basic, means amphotic compound are formed acidic as well as basic compound on hydrolysis. Amphotic means oxide form acidic or basic on hydrolysis. Or okay, second, they react with acid or as well as base is called amphoteric. These are weakly acid, acidic, strong acid, and very strong acidic. Clear? Okay, thank you. And today, our finish our third unit, classification of element. And our next video, we are discuss. We will be going to discuss our next unit, chemical bonding. Right, thank you.